Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to use Google Maps offline without internet. We start by opening Google Maps while we have a connection, then click on our user icon and then on Offline Maps. After that, we will click on Select Your Own Map to create a new one. Next, we are going to select the area of the map that we want to use offline and click on Download. We wait for the map to download. Finally, we can verify that by removing our internet connection, we will still be able to search and navigate in that area. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.